Hello and welcome to this new course on pronunciation. In this particular lesson, we are going to be seeing those words where B is silent. Now, why is pronunciation so important? It's because if you are able to pronounce certain simple words in the right way, then you're going to get points for it. This is a great way to demonstrate that you can speak English well. Now, let's start with words which have B silent. Let's check the first one. The first one is bomb. It is not bomb. It is bomb. The next one is comb. It is not comb. It is comb. The next word is dumb. It's not dumb. It is dumb. The word after that is climb. Climbing. It's not climbing. It's climbing. The next word is debt. It's not debt. It is debt. The word after that is doubt. The right pronunciation is doubt. The next word is numb. It is not numb. It is numb. The next word is subtle. It is not subtle. It is subtle. The word after that is succumb. It's not succumb. It is succumb. The next word is thumb. It's not thumb. It is thumb. The last word is tomb. It's not tomb. It is tomb. Now, let's repeat all of those words, and I want you to repeat with me. Okay? Bomb, comb, dumb, climb, debt, doubt, numb, subtle, succumb, thumb, and tomb. Okay, so we'll move to the next lesson now, where we'll be choosing a different alphabet that will be silent. I'll see you in the next lesson.